Guys, on this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to make your YouTube channel discoverable at first search. First, let's open our browser and search youtube.com. Then we need to sign in on the youtube.com. We need to sign in our channel. We already signed in at the youtube.com. The next step is we need to request for a desktop site. Here. Now at the top of the YouTube channel, our profile pic, let's click our profile. Then let's click settings. Under the settings, let's check channel status and features. So click channel status and features. Under the channel status features, we have the basic information, we have advanced settings and feature eligibility. So let's click on basic info. Click basic info. So you will see your channel name and you will need to choose your country of residence. Now we will have keywords. You need to put the channel name as your keyword as many as you can so that your YouTube channel will be discoverable at first search, like what I did. I put my channel name as my keywords. A lot. We need to add more. So let's put our channel name as our keyword so that our YouTube channel will be discoverable at first search. Then let's save. Then let's go back to our channel. Now let's search our channel if it will appear at the first search. Let's go to another browser. Let's open another browser. Then there you will see my channel name as the appear at the top. That's it, guys. In order for your YouTube channel to appear at the first search, you need to make your YouTube channel as your keywords. Put your YouTube channel as keywords and repeat as many as you can. That's it. Thank you.